Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from the group analysis of the condition motorcycle industry in Indonesia.
Let me introduce our group. We are from group 2. There are Rahmawati Aminuddin Muhadi, NIM 003, Novita Dwi Putri, NIM 008, Lu'lu Mustarifah Salisah, NIM 009, Balkis Dirmadianti, NIM 033, Sekar Ayu Novandi Dermawan, NIM 040, Anlas Reka Dwijayanti, NIM 045.
Definition of industrial economics: a special skill in economics. The skills of the industrial economics help explain why market need to be organized and how organizing affects why industrial market work. Definition of industry: industry is a collection of companies that produce similar goods or goods that have a very close substitution characteristic. In another sense, industry is a production unit or unit located in a certain place that carries out activities to change goods or product goods which are closer to the final consumer. BPS 2000, according to law No. 5 of 1984 concerning industry. Industry is an economic activity that processes raw materials, semi-finished goods and or finished goods into higher values for their use, including building, design activities, and industrial engineering. Motorcycle sales in Indonesia 2009 and 2012 in unit. Number 1, merek Honda 2009 2701279, 2010 2011 4273888, 2012 409293, total 3269307. Number 2, merek Yamaha 2009 2650992, 2010 2176757, 2011 3136073, 2012 2433354, total 1039776. Number 3, merek Suzuki 2009 438129, 2010 35852, 2011 493 125, 2012, 465663, total 1755236. Number 3, Merck Suzuki, 438129, 2010, 358352, 2011, 493125, 2012, 46563, total 1755236. Number 4, Kawasaki, 2009, 5815, 2010, 15026, 2011, 94108, 2012, 131,657, total 334941. Number 5, Merck Kenzen, 2009, 3413, 2010, 189, 2011, 328, 2012, 131,657, total 334941. The SGP structure conduce performance method are the structure of performance behavior. Structure, behavior, performance, or what is commonly called SGP structure conduct performance are the three main pillars that can be used to observe structural condition and competition in the industrial world. SGP analysis is an industrial economics analysis tool developed by modern economists who began to develop science 1930. The basic paradigm of SGP was coined by Edward S. Manson, a lecturer at the University of Harvard in the 1930s. This approach was further developed by Bain, Clark, and Kev Scherer in Putri 2004. Structure, behavior, and performance, or commonly known as SGP, structure conducts performance, are the main categories used to view market condition and competition in the market. The structure of a market will influence the company behavior in the market, which together determines the overall system performance. However, behavior and performance can actually give back to the market structure. Market structure. In the market structure is the classification of producers into several forms of market based on characteristics such as the type of product produced. Of course, a lot of company policies They depend on the market structure where the company is located. In another sense, market structure is a variety of things that can affect the behavior and performance of companies in the market. For example, the number of companies in the market, production scale, type of production, and so on. A market structure is said to be competitive if the company does not have the ability to influence the market. Competitive market structure is different from competitive behavior. Competitive behavior is a condition in which a company must actively compete with other companies.
Behavior or conduct. The company's behavior in the market is a reflection of the form and structure of the market in which the company operates, meaning that the company behavior in the market is the company's policy about the product or service, and the price of the goods sold is a result of the market structure it faces, including the possibility of change in product policy and price matched by competition. According to industrial economic theory, industrial behavior analyzes the behavior and implementation of strategies used by company in an industry to seize market share and beat its competitor. This industrial behavior is seen in pricing, promotion, coordination of activities in the market, and also in product policy. Industrial behavior is divided into four types, among others: behavior in price strategy, behavior in product strategy, behavior in promotion strategy, and behavior in distribution strategy. The first is promotion strategy. Companies try to get to know product by promoting their product through advertisement on television, newspaper, magazine, billboard, and mass media with the aim that consumers are interested in buying this product. Advertising is one of the promotional fields whose use can be carried out in a sustainable manner according to the wishes of the customer. Yamaha optimized brand awareness through television advertisement and national scale activities. Honda promoted the efficiency of its product and relying more on revolutionary designs. Suzuki introducing its newest product variant with an advertising message is also made as attractive as possible, informative, and clear so that potential consumers can judge product based on this advertisement. Kawasaki took a unique strategy by focusing on selling support type motorbikes. The second is product strategy. The motorcycle industry, in order to increase company profits, to innovate, create new product, and provide product availability in sufficient quantities and provide the best service during sales and over sales, starting from showrooms and workshops. The third is distribution strategy. The distribution strategy implemented in the motorcycle industries based on an agreement between producer and consumer, in which the company does not directly sell the product and the producer to buyers. However, through intermediaries or product distribution, namely main dealer and direct dealer. The next is performance. Structure and behavior can lead to certain performance. Some of the aspects included in this performance measure are the level of profit, efficiency, and progress that can be achieved by company in the industry. The performance of an industry can be defined as a picture of how far the economic results that the industry can achieve. Performance in the economy as a whole is an assessment of how an industry can achieve its goals, including on efficiency economy, full employment, and an equitable economy. The economic scale is the minimum efficiency scale is the lowest level of output that allows the company to fully take advantage of the economics of the policies of one company are generally always followed by the competitors. For example, advertising a motorcycle product or advertising, giving gifts in the context of sale promotion and certain special service, but in purchasing and in repair or offer sales service. Other companies will also do the same. Difficulty level to enter the industry motorbikes are also quite large because in addition to the need for a high level of efficiency in the management of research, the factor of production, large capital investment, is also needed to expand factors and the application of sophisticated production technology. High internal efficiency describes a well-managed company, the maximum effort of the worker and avoiding boredom in the running of the company.
And then market power. Market power is the ability of a company to control and influence the price of or quality of product trades in the market. The product that has a high brand image will get it provides a safe and predictable level of demand company and can create barriers that make it difficult for the company order to enter the market for a long period of time. Like that, performance of the Yamaha industry, which the request to always design a more creative marketing strategy in order to achieve the company goals in creating and increasing purchase and customer loyalty to Yamaha products. Yamaha Motor Indonesia continues to renew its vision to taking advance of technological advance. Yamaha Motor Indonesia, a reliable engine, is the heart of every car and motorcycle its products. The quality and performance of its mechanic determined by the precision of fabrication of the part of the mechanics and the execution of the assembly by experienced technical using modern tool equipment accompanied by strict quality control procedures at each step of the assembly. And next slide, concentration ratio. The concentration ratio is using for the size of the overall market and the size of companies that are leading the market. The concentration ratio is using to measure the large company market share to local industrial sales. And then this is a formula, you can see it, and C is the market share of the I company and is the number of companies in the motorcycle industry. And then his main Herfindahl index. The market structure of the industry can also be analyzed using the IHH, which is the sum of the squares of the market share of each company in an industry. This index has a value between more than 0 to 1. If the IHH is close to 0, it means that the structure of the industry in question then to the competitive market. Meanwhile, if the IHH approaches close to 1, then the industry structure then to a monopolistic, and this is a formulate, you can see it, and N is the number of motorcycle industry companies. Q is motorcycle production results of Ford and company I, and T is total product amount.
Result of calculation of motorcycle industry market concentration level in 2009. Nomor 1, merek Yamaha, penjualan tahun 2009 480.500, pasar 57,785, CR 57.785, IHH 0,333911164. Nomor 2, merek Honda, penjualan tahun 2009 286.548, pasar 34,460, CR 92,245, IHH 0,118751449. Nomor 3, merek Suzuki, penjualan tahun 2009 48.154, pasar 5,791, CR 98,036, IHH 0,003353582. Nomor 4, merek Kawasaki, penjualan tahun 2009 16.008, pasar 1,925, CR 99,961, IHH 0,000370611. Nomor 5, merek Kanzen, penjualan tahun 2009 320, pasar 0,038, CR 100, IHH 1,48096, kurang 07. Total 831.530, 100 0,456386954 2191123107. The analysis result for market share and industrial structure are obtained as follows. In 2009, it can be seen in Table 3 of the 5 brands of motor list. Two wheels, namely Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Kanzen, obtained a total of 831,530 units of Jakarta motorcycle sales. For market share, the first place is Yamaha 57785%, second place is Honda 34460%, third place is Suzuki 5791%, fourth is Kawasaki 1925%, and fifth place in Kanzen 0038%, where the market concentration of 4 companies in the motorcycle industry were Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki at 9961%. The value of Huisman-Herfindahl index based on the table above is 0.4 563, meaning that the structure of the market structure of the motorcycle industry in Jakarta is a strict oligopoly structure.
Berikut merupakan data hasil penghitungan konsentrasi penjualan industri motor di tahun 2010, di mana tersedia merek Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, dan Kanzen. Yamaha penjualan tahun 2010 yaitu 635.427%, pangsa pasarnya 57.391%, CH yaitu sama 57,391%, sedangkan IHH 0,329374045. Yang kedua ada Honda, di mana penjualan tahun 2010 mencapai 366.098, pangsa pasarnya mencapai 36,52%, CH-nya mencapai 92,443%, sedangkan IHH mencapai 0,201170879. Suzuki penjualan tahun 2010 mencapai 56.713, pangsa pasarnya 5.302%, CH-nya 97,746%, sedangkan IHH 0,03043396. Yang keempat ada merek Kawasaki, di mana penjualan tahun 2010 mencapai 24.611, pangsa pasarnya mencapai 2,222%, dan CH-nya mencapai 99,969%. IHH-nya mencapai 0,127571296. Sedangkan merek yang terakhir ada Kanzen, penjualan tahun 2010 mencapai 338, pangsa pasarnya mencapai 0,030% dan CH-nya mencapai 100%. IHH-nya mencapai 0,0017522025. Totalnya ada 1.107.187 unit yang diproduksi pada tahun 2010. Yang diproduksi bermacam-macam merek dari total dari kelima merek tadi, yaitu dari Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, dan Kanzen. Sedangkan total pangsa pasar dalam 2010 itu mencapai 100%, dan total IHH dari industri pasar sepeda motor di tahun 2010 itu mencapai 0,6903021172 dan 1,448640959. For 2010, from data table for above, from 5 two-wheeled motorcycle vehicle brands, namely Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Kanzen, the total sales of motorcycle in Yamaha were 1,001,787 units. For market share, the first order in Yamaha 57,391%. The second is Honda 35,052%. The third place is Suzuki 5,302%. The fourth is Kawasaki 2,222, and the fifth place is Kanzen when 0.30%. Where the market concentration of the four companies or CR4 is on the motorcycle industry in Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki, with a market share of 99,969%. The value of Hirschman-Herfindahl index or EHH based on the table above is 0.69 and 3%. meaning that the market structure of the motorcycle industry in Jakarta has a strict oligopoly structure.
Result of calculation of motorcycle industry market concentration level in 2011. Analysis of the level of concentration of the motorcycle market based on 2011 above of the 5 brands of two-wheeled motor vehicles, namely Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Kenzen. The total sales of bicycle were obtained. Jakarta motorcycle 1,142,528 units. For market share, the first order is Yamaha 54,859%. Second place is Honda 38,282%. Third place is Suzuki 4,800%. Fourth is Kawasaki 2,045%, and 5th place in Kenzen 0.012%. Where the market concentration of 4 companies CR4 large in the motorcycle industry, these are Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki, with a market share of 9,987%. The value of Heisman-Herford Index IHI based on the table above is 0.7251, meaning that the market structure of the motorcycle industry in Jakarta is a strict oligopoly structure. Result of the 2012 motorcycle industry market concentration level calculation result. Motorcycle sales in 2012 in table 6 below. Of the 4 brands of two-wheeled motor vehicles, namely Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki, were obtained Jakarta's total motorcycle sales from the 4 two-wheeled vehicles brand are 916,278 units. For market share, the first order is Yamaha 45,434%. The second is Honda 45,221%. The third place is Suzuki 6,400%, and fourth is Kawasaki 2,943%. Where the market concentration of the 4 companies CR4 is the largest in the motorcycle industry is Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki, with the equation of 97,056%. The value of Heisman-Herfindahl Index IHI based on the table above is 0.7251, which means that the market structure of the motorcycle industry in Jakarta is a strict oligopoly structure. Conclusion. Structure. From the result of the concentration ratio CR4 of the 4 largest companies in 2009 until 2012 of 97,056% to 99,969%, and the IHI value of 0.40,158 to 0.7251, which means that the motorcycle industry in Jakarta has a strict oligopoly structure. In 2009 to 2012, motor sales in Jakarta were sold by Yamaha Motorbikes, second in line for Honda Motorbikes, third for Suzuki brand motorbikes, fourth for Kawasaki brand motorbikes, and fifth for Kansas motorbike, which only produced up to every 3 years, from 2009 to 2011. If it is concluded that the competition in the motorcycle industry market is very strong, in 2009, sales of motorcycles reached 831,530 units. Then in 2010, there was a very significant increase of 1,107,187 units. In 2011, it amounted to 1,140,528 units, and in 2012 experienced a very drastic decrease of 968,278 units. This was due to an increase in manifest, which results in the people of Jakarta less interest in buying motorbikes.
Behavior or conduct. Promotion strategy. Companies try to get to know product by promoting their product through advertisement on television, newspaper, magazine, billboard, and mass media with the aim that consumers are interested in buying this product. Advertising is one of the promotional fields where you can be carried out in a sustainable manner according to the wish of the customer. Yamaha optimists brand awareness through television advertisement and national scale activities. Honda promotes the efficiency of its product and relying more on revolutionary design. Suzuki introducing its new product variant with an advertising message is also made as attractive as possible, informative, and clear so that potential consumers can judge the product based on this advertisement. Kawasaki took a unique strategy by focusing on selling sport type motorbikes. Product strategy. The motorcycle industry, in order to increase company profit, is to innovate, create new products, and profit product availability in sufficient quantities and profit the best service during sale and after sale, starting from showroom and workshop. Distribution strategy implemented in the motorcycle industry is based on an agreement between producer and consumer, in which the company does not directly sell the products it produces to buyers, however, through intermediaries or product distribution, namely main dealers and direct dealers. Pricing strategy. The pricing strategy carried out by the motorcycle industry. The company profit discount to dealers who make large purchases and policies regarding payment terms for dealers to pay off. Performance 1. Economic scale. The minimum efficiency scale is the lowest level of output that allows the company to fully take advantage at the economy of scale. The policies of one company are generally always followed by competitors. For example, advertising a motorcycle product. Advertising, giving gift in the context of sale promotion, and certain special service both in the purchasing and in repair or after sale service. Other companies will also do the same. 2. Market power. Market power is the ability of a company to control or influence the price or quantity of product traded in the market. A product that has a high brand image will get its profit, a sale and predictable level of demand for company, and can create barriers that make it difficult for the company order to enter the market for a long period of time, like the performance of the Yamaha industry, which is required to always seek a more creative marketing strategy in order to achieve the company's goals in creating and increasing purchase and consumer loyalty to Yamaha products. I think enough for our presentation. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.